In this question, they say, which equation is true when m equals 4? So what does that mean, the equation is true? Well, if you look at every equation here, there are two sides, right? There's an equal sign in the middle, and then something on the left and something on the right. Now you might think of an equal sign as making something, like for example, 1 plus 2 makes 3, and that's not wrong. But another way of looking at it, and I think a more advanced and helpful way of looking at it, is that this statement is a true statement that's balanced. So it's true and it's balanced. What does that mean? Well, it's true because 3 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. But also, if you read it the other way, 3 is 2 and 1. Right? It's balanced. Both sides of the equations are equivalent. That's a nice word. It's a nice way of saying that they're equal, right? And it's true because both sides actually do equal each other. There are false statements. For example, we could say something like 1 plus 2 is 5. Well, this is not balanced, right? 5 isn't 2 and 1, and they're not equal. These two sides are not equal. So by saying they are equal with this sign in the middle, we're making a false claim. So in this problem, what our job is to plug in this number, 4, every time we see the letter m. And then see, do both sides of the equation equal each other? For example, we'll start with part A. It says 8 divided by m plus 5 is 7. So let's try that, right? 8 divided by m, well, m is 4. So that means 8 divided by 4, and that's 2, right? 8 divided by 4 is 2, so 2 plus 5, what does that equal? Well, that is 7. So here, this equation is true, and that's our answer. But let's try the other ones to see and get a sense of what a false statement is. In the next one, it says 4 plus 8, right, divided by m. So 4 plus 8 divided by m is 3. So again, cross out the m, put a 4. Careful here, order of operations tells us to divide first, right? 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we have 4 plus 2, and that's not equal to 3. That's a false statement. So this one's out. And, you know, they put 3 here because they're predicting what you'll do first is add 4 and 8 to get 12, and then divide 12 by 4 to get 3. But the order of operation tells us not to do that, right? Instead, we should be dividing before we add. That's what, if you've seen PEMDAS before, right? Write it like this, because multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. So multiplication and division always come before addition and subtraction. So we divide before we add. In the next one, right, here they say 12 divided by m, and m is 4, so that's 3. So we have 3 plus 2, and that's not equal to 2, right? That's equal to 5. So C is a false statement. And last, just to play around with this question, we have 16 plus 4 divided by m, but that's 4, right? So 4 divided by 4, well, anything divided by itself is 1, so we have 16 plus 1. And that's not equal to 5. That's a false statement. And again, there, let's see, if you didn't follow the order of operations, you would get 16 plus 4 is 20. And then you would say 20 divided by 4 is 5. But again, order of operation tells us to divide before we add. So that would be incorrect. Okay, so I hope this helped. This was a video really covering, I think, order of operations and true statements. All right, thanks.